Hello and welcome to the Learn More module of the Siebel 22 workshop. My name is Alexander Hansal and I'm happy that you can join me for this presentation. In this presentation we are going to take a look at all the resources you have literally at your fingertips on the public internet or through your Oracle account. We start with a look at Siebel Bookshelf, Statement of Directions, Oracle Support, Release Notes, Transfer of Information, Learning Subscription, and we take a look at blogs and other useful public websites when it comes to learning more about Siebel CRM. The ultimate resource for Siebel practitioners since the first releases of Siebel CRM is, of course, Siebel Bookshelf. And Siebel Bookshelf is updated monthly for each new release of Siebel CRM. So at the time of this recording, the 22.1 bookshelf is available along with the Siebel 22.1 release. So if you are in a situation where you, for example, have upgraded successfully to Siebel, let's say 20.6, and you want to quickly understand what's new, what's happened between 20.6 and 22.1, then you can check the What's New chapter, but you would have, of course, to check it for any bookshelf release between 20.6, 7 and 22.1. But the What's New chapters in each guide is a great resource of spotting new features, enhancements, corrections, or even deprecations as the Siebel product evolves every month. Another document that Oracle provides, albeit within the boundaries of the Oracle support account, is the Siebel CRM Statement of Direction. At the time of this recording, the last update of this document is of January 2021, and the Statement of Direction document provides an overview of features and enhancements under Safe Harbor, of course, features and enhancements that are planned for delivery in, as Oracle says, quote, upcoming Oracle Siebel CRM release updates over a 3-year period. So check out, if you have access to Oracle support, check out the document described below. My Oracle Support, or MOS in general, is of course a great resource for Siebel professionals, as it includes a vast knowledge base, downloads for patches and updates, transfer of information access, and product certifications, just to name a few features. And along with each Siebel CRM release, Oracle publishes the latest update guide and release notes documents, shortly known as release notes or README. This is a cumulative documentation that provides you with an insight of new features officially delivered in each new release, the bug fixes delivered in each release, along with very important configuration instructions for developers and known issues and the workarounds. So it is paramount that, for example, before you update to any new Siebel version, that you read and understand the update guide and release notes in their entirety. Oracle Support also offers a service called Transfer of Information, or TOIS. That is a series of video self-paced training that are published frequently and available through the Oracle iLearning portal at learning.oracle.com. There are instructions on Oracle Support how to access these videos. Another resource provided by Oracle is the Oracle Learning Subscription for Siebel CRM. So this includes free and paid content. So go to learn.oracle.com to learn more about the Learning Subscription. Another piece of information and available on the public internet, if you follow the links below, is the Oracle Lifetime Support Policy. Now, this is a very important document that provides information for customers of Oracle Applications Unlimited products. Oracle Applications Unlimited is an umbrella for the on-premises legacy products that include Oracle eBusiness Suite, JD Edwards, PeopleSoft, Hyperion, and of course Siebel CRM. So as of the time of this recording, the currently available Premier support end time that Oracle announces on this webpage is December 2032. So Oracle has extended that Premier support in March 2021 for another year through at least 2032. That means end of that year. So this applies to customers on so-called continuous innovation releases. So technically you have to be on a release that allows continuous innovation, that is 17.0 or higher. So the current information available on that website at the time of this recording, where the latest release was 21.12, but applies of course as well to 22 and later releases. And we can expect Oracle to continue with that extension of Premier support every year by 1 year, as they announce on the website. Another publication from Oracle on the public internet is the Siebel CRM blog, the official team blog from the Oracle Siebel CRM team. It provides us with updates on the latest releases, highlights from events, partners, and information about planned features. Another great resource for accessing information related to Siebel CRM and other Oracle applications is the Oracle Video Hub at videohub.oracle.com. As of the current recording, you find there replays of the virtual customer advisory board meetings or focus group meetings. Yet another Oracle resource that we have collected here for you is the Oracle Architecture Center, which is a great place if you want to find reference architectures for Siebel, especially when it comes to deployments on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, but also you will find there so-called solution playbooks that help administrators and architects understand better how to deploy Siebel CRM. Now let's take a look at non-Oracle websites. The Siebel Hub is proud to be the #1 Siebel CRM community site, established 2014, and you will find for a free subscription, free membership, more than 2,500 blog articles, a vast knowledge base, the only modular Siebel CRM training that is always up to date. So go to siebelhub.com and learn more about Siebel CRM today. The Siebel Hub learning experience provides you with professional, highest quality Siebel CRM training in both recorded format and available as live, online or on-site training. So go to siebelhub.com/main/siebel-crm-training for details on the latest available classes, including this very Siebel 22 workshop that you're about to enjoy, but also Siebel OpenUI basic and professional training ready for Siebel 22, Siebel upgrade workshop, developer essentials, administration class, and a public sector class are currently available. The Siebel Hub offers free video content on the Siebel Hub YouTube channel. These include monthly update summaries, Siebel Friday replays, and various playlists, such as a playlist containing the free video content for this Siebel 22 workshop. My name is Alexander Hansal, and I'm the founder of blacksheep IT Consulting, specializing in Siebel CRM expertise, coaching, and training. So through my website siebel-crm.com, you can find recorded and live trainings and description of my open source solutions for Siebel CRM, such as Siebel to Phone. On-Demand Consulting and Education is the company founded by Richard Napier, who specializes in education services and consulting on Oracle Intelligence Advisor, formerly known as Oracle Policy Automation or OPA, and Siebel CRM. Richard is an instructor on the Siebel Hub. Go to github.com/Oracle Siebel, the GitHub repository provided by the Oracle Siebel Engineering team, where you can find lots of configuration and code examples, including examples to containerize your Siebel installation with Docker and many more very valuable pieces of information. And also on GitHub, you find the blacksheep CRM GitHub repositories, which include educational code mostly for Siebel OpenUI, such as DevPops, Siebel to Phone, Siebel App, the KeyMaker, or Enterprise A GoGo. So in this overview, we have discussed the various Oracle provided websites and non-Oracle websites on the public internet and on Oracle support to allow you to learn more about Siebel CRM every day. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye-bye.